Hello viewers, welcome to Endless Learning. In our last two videos of the YouTube Shorts creation series, we delved into script writing and voiceover creation. Today, we'll learn how to create visuals for this voiceover. When generating a script, the ChatGPT YouTube Shorts Maker plugin also creates a visual prompt for voiceover. We will now use this prompt in Midjourney to create an image. Copy the image prompt provided by ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the Midjourney input field. Press Enter to initiate the image creation process. Once the process begins, Midjourney will start generating the image based on the provided prompt. When terms like photorealistic, 8K, natural lighting, HDR high resolution, shot on IMAX laser, and intricate details are used in a prompt, they describe how an image should look. Photorealistic. The image should look very realistic. 8K. This indicates a very high image resolution. Natural lighting. The lighting should look like it's coming from natural sources, like the sun. HDR high dynamic range. This means the image will have a wide range of bright and dark tones. High resolution. The image will be very clear and detailed. Shot on IMAX laser. This suggests a very high quality, similar to what you'd see in top-tier movie theaters. Intricate details. The image will have a lot of detailed elements. Midjourney will provide 4 different options. Please select the one that is most suitable for voiceover. You can upscale or regenerate the image as needed. Would you like to learn about Midjourney? I've already completed a Midjourney video series on this YouTube channel. I'll attach a playlist in the video description. Enhance the quality of an image and then save the updated image to a specific folder. You need to do this for every scene. Each scene has a separate image generation prompt. I will complete all of them and then return. I have now created images for all the scenes based on the image prompts, and they are ready to be converted into a video. In the next YouTube video, we will learn how to transform these images into a video like this one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.